Question number 10. Here has given px is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 4, and gx is equal to given 1 minus 3 upon 2x. That is given. Okay. So first of all, that is the same way, but here has given some in fractional. So I want to explain this question. First of all, you write gx is equal to, let be that 0, gx को 0 मान लेंगे. Clear? Now in place of gx you write 1 minus 3 upon 2 x is equal to 0. Now you transpose plus 1 that side, and then you will get minus 1, and here minus 3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2x. Again you will multiply in this by the law of cross multiplication, and then minus 3x is equal to minus 1 into 2 minus 2, and therefore x is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 3, means x is equal to 2 upon 3. Okay students, after that you will write the px is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 4. Okay students, now here x value is given 2 upon 3, so you write 2 upon 3 is equal to x to power 3 has given, and x value is given 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 का whole cube minus 6, again 2 upon 3 a whole square plus 2 into 2 upon 3 minus 4. Yes friends, in this way you will get 2 cube means 8, 3 cube 3 3 9 3 27 minus 6 into 2 square 4 upon 3 square 9 plus 2 into 2 upon 3 minus 4. Clear friends? Now you solve, and then you will get, see 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. That will not reduce. It also not reduce. Finally you will do multiply, then you will get 8 upon 27 minus 2 4 ja 8 upon 3 plus 2 2 ja 4 upon 3 minus 4 upon 1 also you can write. Clear? Now students, you will take the LCM, then you will get the LCM of 27 3 3 1 will be 27. You will divide by 27, 27 you will get 1 multiply in 8, then that will be 8 minus 3 9 ja 27, 9 8 ja 72 plus 3 9 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, and that will go 27 times 27 4 ja 108. Okay. Now students, first of all you solve. You will add two positive numbers. So then 8 and 36. That is the positive number. It will be 44. Minus, now add the negative numbers. So 2 and 8 10. and 7 and 0, 7 and carrying 1, 8, and then that will be 180 divided by 27. Again you subtract, then you will get 136. Okay students, 10 में से 4 गया 6. Here you get the 7. 7 में से 4 गया 3. That one upon 27, and sign you will add the negative. Now you will reduce, and then finally you will get. So then it will not reduce because it is even number, that is odd number. Clear? So that will be the answer. Clear students? So then that is the remainder. Okay? In this way the next questions, question number 12 also you can do. Question number 12 you see. In question number 12, there is given px is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a, and gx is equal to x minus a, that is given. Okay, so first of all you write gx is equal to, let be that 0. Okay, now put the value gx की value x minus a is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to a. Okay students, now you put the px is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a, that has given. Okay, now px, x value has comes a, therefore a cube minus a into a का square plus 6 into a minus a. Okay, after that students you will solve, then you will get a cube. Here a square and a, there will be also a cube, and here 6a minus a means 1a, 1 is hidden, so that will reduce because it is plus a cube and that is minus a cube. After you will find 6a minus 1a is equal to 5a. Therefore remainder is equal to 5a, that is the answer. Okay students, in this way, now question number 13 and 14 also you see. It's important. Question number 12, it also important, 13 also important, and 14 also important. Okay, so you must pay attention on these questions. Question number 13 is saying, listen, the polynomials 2x cube plus x square minus ax plus 2 and 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus a when divided by x minus 2 leaves the same remainder. Okay, find the value of a. Here has given the same remainder. So first of all the polynomial यानी polynomial p1x is given 2x cube plus x square minus ax plus 2. Clear? And p2x polynomial second that has given 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x and plus a. Okay, both remainder are same. Both remainder are same. अंडरस्टूड? दोनों के रिमाइंडर सेम है. ओके, मान लिया इसका रिमाइंडर 0 तो इसका भी रिमाइंडर 0. देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट, इसलिए हम लिख सकते हैं p1x इज इक्वल टू p2x. ओके, दोनों के रिमाइंडर 0 है, इसलिए हम लिख सकते हैं this is equal to this. Now you put the value p1x 2x cube and here next given when divided by, so that also I want to write x minus 2 यानी gx इसे कहेंगे. gx is equal to given x minus 2. Yes friends, तो now अगर gx की वैल्यू हम 0 मान लेते हैं, अंडरस्टूड, या gx इक्वल टू 0 मान लेंगे, या gx हैज गिवन x minus 2, therefore x is equal to 2. That's value you will put in both polynomial p1x and p2x. Yes friends, so now तो then that's value. अब इसकी वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे पुट कर रहे हैं, both यहाँ ना लिखकर इसे हम यहां लिखते हैं p1x इज इक्वल टू p2x. दोनों बराबर हमने लिखा. क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि दोनों के रिमाइंडर सेम है, बराबर है. तो मान लिया इसका रिमाइंडर 0. ओके, तो इसका भी रिमाइंडर 0 ही होगा, यानी 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. यानी इस 0 की वैल्यू ये है, इस 0 की वैल्यू ये है, तो दोनों हम लिख सकते हैं. Here p1x will be 2x cube plus x square minus ax plus 2 is equal to. now अब ये 0 के बराबर अगर इतना है तो ये भी 0 के बराबर इतना ही है, तो इसलिए इस 0 के नीचे हम भी लिख सकते हैं इसकी वैल्यू ये 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x and plus a. Yes students, in this way here अब x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 2 रखेंगे, यहाँ भी 2 रखेंगे, यानी कि x की वैल्यू हम क्या रखेंगे 2. here also there also, तो x की वैल्यू 2 क्यूब plus 2 square a into 2 plus 2 is equal to x की वैल्यू 2 का क्यूब माइनस 3 2 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 3 इंटू 2 प्लस a there also. Okay. Now students, you will add 2 into 2 का क्यूब 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 और 8 2 जा 16 प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर 4 माइनस 2 इंटू 8 2a माइनस 2a प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 का क्यूब 8 2 जा 16 इज आल्सो माइनस 2 का स्क्वायर 4 4 3 जा 12 माइनस 12 and 3 2 जा minus 6 and plus a. Yes students, both are the 16 and 16. So now first of all you add the all positive number 16 plus 4 20 and plus 2 22 minus 2a. Now 16 that is positive and minus 12 and minus 6 that will be minus 18 plus a. So finally you transpose, देखो a को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो 2a and minus a 22 को उधर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे और a को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे, यानी कांस्टेंट नंबर को एक तरफ और वेरिएबल को एक तरफ, क्योंकि a वेरिएबल है यहां भी इसको एक तरफ कर देंगे. अब यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट भी कर लेंगे, माइनस 18 में से प्लस 16 गया माइनस 2 and that minus 2 also transpose there, it will be minus 22. So finally you get, देखो minus 2a and minus a means 1a, यानी 2a and 1a will be minus 3a is equal to, it will be minus 24. Yes students, therefore a is equal to minus 24 divided by minus 3 is equal to plus 8. Clear student? That will be the answer. Okay. Okay students, now the question number 14 also very important. Okay. So px is equal to x to power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b. And there has given the 2gx. In this question there has given the 2gx. First gx has given x minus 1. So x minus 1, its remainder comes 5. And another gx, that x plus 1, it gives the remainder 19. So in this way you will find the two equation. First equation from first gx and second equation from second gx. Okay. So in this way, first of all, here gx means divisor. Here let be gx is equal to 0. इसका जो gx की जगह 0 मान लेंगे. In this way, अब gx की वैल्यू given x minus 1, therefore x is equal to 1. Now you write here px x to power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b. Clear? That gives the remainder 5. That is the remainder 5. Now you put the value x equal to 1, यानी p1. So then 1 to power 4 minus 2 1 to power 3 plus 3 1 square minus a into 1 plus b is equal to 5. Okay, and then we will solve. Then we will get 1 to power 4 is 1, 1 का cube 1, and that is a 2, 1 का square 1, 3 is a 3 minus a plus b is equal to 5. Now here plus a and 3 4 plus 4 में से minus 2 गया plus 2 को उधर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे. Finally we will get a plus b is equal to 5, और ये जहां पे बचेगा प्लस टू को उधर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे, इट विल बी -2, and then you will get a plus b is equal to 3. That is the first equation. Yes students, now in this way you will find the second equation from the second gx. Okay, and then again we will remember this. इसे हमें याद रखना होगा. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन कम्स minus a plus b is equal to 3. That is the first equation. Now I am going to solve the second equation. तो let be second gx is equal to 0. मान लेंगे कि gx की वैल्यू 0 है, and value of gx has comes x plus 1. Okay, therefore x is equal to -1. Now you write the px is equal to x to power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b. Okay, that's value has comes remainder 19 for the second. Okay, second divisor यानी gx कितना रिमाइंडर देता है 19. So I will write here at last 19. Now x की वैल्यू here the given -1. So you write p -1 यानी -1 to power 4 -2 -1 का क्यूब प्लस 3 -1 का स्क्वायर minus a into -1 plus b is equal to 19. Yes friends, now you solve -1 to power 4 plus 1 -1 cube -1 and into -2, that is the plus 2. 1 का -1 का स्क्वायर plus 1 into 3 and that minus a into -1 plus a plus b is equal to 19. Finally when you add, then you will get 6, means a plus b is equal to 19, and that plus 6 transpose right side, it will be -6. Finally you will get a plus b is equal to 13. That is the second equation. Yes friends, so now second equation we get a plus b is equal to 13. That is the second equation. So now by solving first and second equation, so here you write by solving first and second equation. First equation, again I am writing here minus a plus b is equal to 3. First equation plus a plus b is equal to 13. Second equation Now we will add, okay, because it is negative and that is positive. So after adding plus minus a में से plus a गया cancel, b and 1b and 1b, that will be 2b. Now you add, you will get 16. Therefore b is equal to 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Okay, b की वैल्यू 8 आ गया. अब सीधे लिखेंगे on putting b is equal to 8 in first equation या फिर second equation, any equation है. On putting b is equal to 8 in, हम सेकेंड इक्वेशन में रखते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव दिया है बोथ साइड. देन इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन हम दोनों किसी में रख सकते हैं. हियर द गिवन a प्लस b इज इक्वल टू 13. देन a प्लस b की वैल्यू 8 इज इक्वल टू 13. देयरफॉर a इज इक्वल टू 13 माइनस 8 is equal to 5. Therefore, the answer A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 8. Okay, students, it's very important question. So you must pay attention on these questions and you will practice also in rough copy. Okay. Next tomorrow I will explain the next exercise 2D. Okay.